Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is author DS Pies. Today's manifestation technique is known as empowerment and worthiness. Now, step one to this manifestation technique is you've been launching these rockets of desire, and they have been gathered in the cooperative as cooperative components for you all the time. So everything is there ready for you. So what is not ready is you observing the what is, observing the factual realities that are happening, and then thus you are not a vibrational match to what you want to manifest in your life. Okay, so that is step one, and that is you got to know that the components that are required for the manifestation are there ready for you. Okay, so step one is you've been launching these rockets of desire, and they've been gathered in the cooperative in this cooperative surroundings where all the cooperative components are already being gathered. So you're usually the only one who is non-cooperative by your own desire, because you're looking for the facts of it and you're looking for the actuality of it. So you're not often a vibrational match to it, but nevertheless you know that it is yours, and it is gathered for you and it is ready for you when you are ready. Now, step two is your singular work is being ready. Your only work is your readiness and closing this gap between what your vibrational match to this manifestation should be and the manifestation. Okay, so your singular work is your readiness to allow that gap to be closed, your readiness to allow you to be inspired by the thought, word, and action that not only allows you to close the gap, but gives you a really fun way of unfolding along. It's a very fun way of unfolding all along the way. So that is step two. Now, step three is if you argue for your limitations, you are not allowing anything that you find vibrational resonance with will come and join you in your grid, and that is going to flash out. So if you think that you have certain limitations, and then that is where you are going to stop, that is going to fill up your vibrational grid, and that is what is going to show up in your in your reality. So what you got to do is just go beyond these limitations. So that is step number three. Do not argue for your limitations. Now, step four is pay more attention to your point of attraction. That's the only thing that matters. The only thing that matters is pay attention to your point of attraction. Where are you in this emotional scale? Are you on the higher grid? If you're on the higher grid, your point of attraction is where it is closer to this manifestation. Okay, so closer to the frequency of this manifestation. So that is step four. Step five is when you find yourself feeling good and flying high, stay in this vibration. Milk it as much as possible. Stay in this vibration as long as you can. Okay, so the longer you are subjected, more of this becomes a pattern, and in time this will be your frequency. Okay, so that's step number five. Now, step number six is if you are meditating, if you are making a lot of positive aspects, if you are rampaging in appreciation, if you are watching for the things that feel good, more and more of this is going to come into your reality, and a chronic set of frequency is being established. Now, in this higher frequency, more of what you want will begin to fill up in your grid, and you will begin to feel empowerment, and you'll begin to feel the worthiness that is required for you to get this manifestation of your choice. So guys, this is a manifestation technique known as empowerment and worthiness. I'll get back to you again next week with one more manifestation technique. Stay tuned, and bye for now. Bye.